All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Got a case in from Benks. This is one of their latest cases for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. And obviously, you know, with Benks, it is the ultimate protection that they offer for the ultra thin case. So we'll take a look inside the case and inside the packaging and put the case on. But in typical fashion, you can see Benks letting you know that it's built with Kevlar. That's light and thin and durable. You get full protection and it's scratch resistant. And you can pause this and look at it if you like. But the little magnetic thing that they do to get into the case, and you have more information over here. And then here is the case. So to open it, you want to flip it over and pull this green tab right here. And after you take this off, it'll slide right out. Just like that. And then you can lift it out. Alright. Put this aside. And we'll take a look at the case. This is a really nice case. In comparison to other cases that I've found, this one is really nice. They're all the same pretty much, but the different designs and having the MagSafe technology or the magnetic hold on there is really nice. You can see that it has it because it shows it right there on the inside right there to let you know that it does have that technology. And let me show you here. Just grab a battery pack. Really strong. Really strong. So you got some Benks branding right there around the edge of the case for the camera, and this cutout around the camera is black. Then you've got your opening here for the volume and power, and then your S Pen opening on the bottom here along with the Type-C speaker. And these little slits are in there to help you get the case on and off, and they're also in the same position as the antenna. So that's pretty cool. And then you got your microphone canceling up there. So this is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and slide it on. Take my pen out. My pen hit on the last second there. Hold on a second. Be careful, guys, when you're putting it in. I was just taking the pen out because when you're sliding it over, it kind of pushes the pen in even if it doesn't want to. The case is so snug, it just pushes it in. So here's the case. And boy, is it a beaut. It is a beauty. I love the colors of the blue and the green, little hints of orange. It is a very nice looking case. You can see the camera. I have camera module protectors on here, so if you were wondering about that, you'll see that it does work. And if you turn to the side, it's completely covered, and it's actually leveled out perfectly with the camera modules. But if you didn't have the camera modules, the cameras will be recessed a little bit. And you've got your volume and power button exposed right there. And then on the top here, there's those slits for the antennas, and then also helping you get it off. Then microphones, and then same thing on the bottom here. So all in all, this appears to be a really good case. And again, I have a tempered glass on here. So this case is for people who just don't have that shaky hand to where you drop your phone all the time. This cases are, or for a person that just wants the ultimate thin case that you do drop your phone, but you want some protection. I've actually never dropped my phone in a Kevlar case, like a serious drop, but I've dropped it in other cases that were way more bulky. But worst case with this, I think definitely my S Pen might pop out depending on how the angle of the drop would happen. But overall, your phone should be protected from scratches. Obviously, this is exposed, and any area that's exposed could be damaged. But overall, you know, your screen is exposed. But if you have a tempered glass on there, that could help. But this should protect from the basic putting your keys in your pocket, you know, things like that, things that do scratch your devices or just anything. Drop it in sand or gravel, anything could happen if you're at the beach, and it could possibly scratch it. But with this, it'll protect the majority of the body of your Galaxy S24 Ultra. So this is a case from Benks. I'll leave a link in the description where you can grab yours. Kevlar cases are always nice, and they look really good, man. This is just a beautiful case. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.